How to review Facebook editor activity on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to review Facebook editor activity on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and go down here and click activity log, and then go down, click logged actions and other activity, and then click search history, not search history, go down and click this one, Facebook editor, and here you can review Facebook editor activity on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.